Hello, my name is Scott Douglas. Today we're going to take a look at the 2019 16 Super Sport Boston Whaler. This boat is located in the Wilmington Airport. Notice she has the cooler beside the console. Bench seat has the synthetic teak on the stern with the swim ladder. 90 horsepower Mercury, 4-stroke. Bimini top option. Chrome Whaler logos. Galvanized trailer with swing away tongue. We have a great little storage compartment right in front of the console. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. I can be reached at 910-200-9636. Thank you. Have a great day.